should advise.
Positive. If I recall on LEDs, these things, their positive end is on the longer stick. So you can see here, the longer one I think is positive, if I recall. So the red wire is going to connect to that, and the black wire is going to go back on top of the battery, on top of the penny. Yeah. So far, nothing. Let me start swapping them. Nope, no charge. Let's do it again. Let's make another cell. Another paper square. Soak it in the electrolyte solution. Yeah, I can feel like things going on. I've got charge on me. It's like kind of like, not like sizzling, but I can feel the reaction. I'm like discharging into it. Hang on, just to ensure. Second cell. Last penny, the second penny. It's on top. Connecting. There's no charge moving. There probably is charge moving. Let me swap the terminal just to make sure that the direction is right.
Now that we can have more complicated conversations, the smart people at NASA have sent me instructions on how to hack the rover so that it can talk to Pathfinder. If I hack a tiny bit of code, just 20 instructions in the rover's operating system, NASA
Oh, it's not generating anything.
Pathfinder's broadcasting frequency, and we're in business.
Third cell. Switching terminals. Yep, nothing's moving. Well, actually, I'll probably move it down a little bit so you guys can see it.
How's the crew? What did they say when they found out I was alive?
But see, it's not generating anything. Actually, it was gonna help. Yep, still not getting no signal. I'm actually gonna use a different LED because I think this one's just to make sure it isn't that. Checking another LED just to make sure this one isn't busted. The one I was currently using was busted anyways. Yep, still nothing.
He says, they don't know I'm alive? What the? F word? That word in germ form, that word again is wrong.
Putting another cell on.
What? Please watch your language. Everything you type is being broadcast live all over the world.
I can feel charge. I can actually feel it in my fingertips that some charge is being escaped. It's being grounded through me. So usually if I can feel it, that means that there is current flowing, which isn't enough to power the LED.
He's under a tremendous amount of stress. I understand. We're working.
I'm sure he didn't mean to say.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Hey, see, if you see,
Oh, there's not.
it's stuck to me. There's electrons definitely moving. There's definitely electrons inside of it.
You're bringing this up on Vincent.
Because technically speaking, I'm right now negatively charged because they're attracting. The solution is generally negative because it's holding all the electrons. So because of Coulomb's law of electrostatic charge, positives like charges would repel, opposite charges would attract. So actually that means I'm positive. Okay, so let's place the next penny on. Still nothing. Excel. Yeah, I keep forgetting to put this little foil thing on top first. Probably should have worn my grounding boots during this to make it more, just to ensure better results. Alright, 5th penny. Which means 5th cell. Yeah, it definitely feels like there's, I just felt like a little thing of heat coming from it when I touched both positive and negative, making a short. So yeah, there's definitely something flowing through it. Yep, still nothing. Yeah, it's sticking to me because electronic charge. Okay, placing a penny on top. I'll at least have this connect so I don't have to connect them every single freaking time. There's something. It's a little bit of something. It's not a lot, but it's something. Now I'm going to see how much I could take maximum of this. I'm going to see how much, with all 10 pennies, we have 4 more, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to see how much power is going to be generated total with exactly 10 pennies. Alrighty, 6th penny's on. Increment it by 2 pennies just to make sure. Yeah, that's 2. I'm going to do a quick power check. Dad, shut up. I'm recording stuff. whatever I had, it's gone. Wait.
Rock the boat, doggy, rock the boat, don't tip the boat over, rock the boat, Bentley. Go.
Here you can see, I got something. Alrighty, moving on to the next thing. Like the next two. Oh, whoops. So how many it took? It took 5 total just to get a single thing. No, it took 6 actually. I had 4 and then, yeah, it took 6. It took 6 to actually make something happen. I didn't mean to do that. It's sticking to me again. Alrighty, final penny. You guys ready? Final penny. Yep, it's working. So yeah. It's technically the battery. Alright. So in this experiment, I was testing to see how many of those cells, which is a tinfoil, I think a tinfoil, some solution or some of the electrolyte solution here, which is technically salt, sodium chloride, and vinegar, distilled vinegar, and essentially tested to see how many of those cells it took to actually light up an LED. Now, if I actually applied it, now keep in mind this resistance was actually, technically speaking, short circuit. There was no actual resistor in there, and I'm pretty sure if I added a resistor to this circuit, it wouldn't have, like the LED wouldn't have lit up because the current would have been stepped down by a whole lot. So, yeah. Anyways, that has been the experiment. Peace.